How to recover deleted messages on Messenger. Hi everyone, welcome back. Today's video I'll be showing you how you can recover your deleted messages on Messenger. In order to recover deleted messages on Messenger, there are various different methods. So what you can do is, first of all, update the application. After updating, log in into your Messenger account. Once you're logged into your account, click on the tab bar icon located in the upper left. After you click on the tab bar icon, a menu page pops up. So from the list, go ahead and click on archive. After that, you'll be able to see the archive messages. So what you'll need to do is, in order to save them, in order to recover them, long press on the chat, which chat actually you want to recover. Click on archive. It's going to be saved on your chat page. Here you'll be able to find your recovered deleted messages. If you're unable to find the archive messages, what else you can do is, you can also do the step number 2 procedure. For that, you need to open up a Facebook application. After that, go ahead and click on the tab bar icon once again in the right hand side bar. Scroll down, click on privacy and settings. Once again, go ahead and tap on settings. Over here, scroll down a bit and you'll be able to find an option as download your information under your information section. Click on it. And this is going to direct you to the download your information page. Go through all of these statements, click on requested download. Here you'll need to select whether you want to do it for Instagram or Facebook and tap the next button. Once again, you'll need to select the information, so click on the option accordingly. Click on submit request, which is right at the bottom, and your matter will be looked. So all you need to do is click on requested download, and all you have to do is till then wait patiently until you get further notice. So this is how you can recover deleted messages on Messenger. Apart from that, there is no such way of recovering your deleted messages. You cannot use a third-party application, as this is not going to help. Make sure to see your privacy and security as well. So in this way, you can recover deleted messages on Messenger. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. If it did really help you, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.